Greetings, the Astro 30 here yet again, and welcome back to AEL. Thank you for joining me. Now, in a previous video I tested this transformer, and for a backstory context here, it was in a cardboard box. I went to pick it up by one of the sides of the box. Gravity took over and nearly ripped the box into pieces, and the transformer basically fell out of the box, flipped over 180 degrees and landed on the floor on top of its winding output wires here. Now, for extra context, it was only about 1 foot to 1.5 feet, and it was onto carpet. So in a previous video I tested this to see if it was still electrically functioning by plugging it into the DIMM bulb and powering the power supply that it powers. All those tests seemed to prove that it was functioning fine. However, there was a guy in the comments of that video that said that I should have actually done basically a continuity test on each of the windings and in between them. He's absolutely right. That is one test I should have done with a simple ohm meter before plugging it in. So for completeness, I am going to complete that test just to 100% prove that this transformer is fine and we don't have like a short between two of the windings. Okay, so I've got a multimeter set to the resistance scale, so I'm going to just touch the two probes together just to see what residual resistance we're picking up with the probes. Hardly anything, so I don't have to worry about that too much. So I will stick the multimeter across one of the windings. Now this is a dual winding secondary. That is, each of these two windings are separate from each other. So we've got a red and a black, which is one winding, the black lead being the center tap position basically, which goes to the ground point of the supply on a bipolar. And we got an orange and a white wire, with the white wire being the other point of the center tap, which goes to ground. So I'll measure across the black and the red wire here, if I can get the probes to stay in the spade terminals. So we'll get a resistance reading. So we've got about 0.2, 0.3 ohms there. That's perfectly fine. So I'll measure across the other set of the other winding. It's not a set. So the orange and the white. And it's a very low resistance, but that's fine. About the same. So to verify between the two center points that they're open, and that's what they should be, is I'll stick my meter in the black and the white wire. Nothing there. Just for extra checking here, going to continuity, nothing. So that is completely open between the black and the white wire, which it should be. And conversely, the orange and the red wires should also be open from each other. So I'll just verify that. Nothing. Absolutely diddly squat. So this transformer has tested out both electrically and physically fine. So thank you to the person that pointed that out in the previous video of my error in not actually doing the physical test with a multimeter. I've done that now, and I should have. I was just pressed for time yesterday when I actually filmed that video. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. It doesn't cost a thing and it helps me out. Cheers, have a nice day.